Yes, you're welcome. Yes, once again to today's analysis. Now, I'm going to be trying to analyze to you how to actually understand all of the straps that we have right here. If you look at the strap, you find out that each of them, I mean, this and these are totally separate. Why these and these are actually together, considering this particular look that this side has. Now, let me try to show us more so that we can see what I'm trying to say. I really want to show us this now, because if you look at this particular place that I actually mark, you'll find out that the width is different from, of course, the width of this and the width of this. So on the average, 1.5 centimeters should be perfectly okay if you're working, with, let's say, size 35, even size 37, you understand it will still work perfectly well for them. Please ensure that you adjust this width, these straps, with respect to the size you are working with, because as long as the foot is longer, the width has to be wider. So at this point, this particular middle part is actually done in such a way that it looks like this. You understand? It's actually very wide, but at the side there is an opening that looks this way. So it makes it looks this way by the side. You understand? So you can see what this looks like by the side. That's the way that one at the center looks like. Others are just straight. I hope you are getting this. Please let me know if you are. See you next time.